Understanding your spending habits is the first step to financial freedom. By identifying areas where you might be overspending, you can make informed decisions to cut back and save more. Here are some common areas to examine. 1. Subscription services. Streaming platforms. Do you have multiple streaming services? Consider canceling or sharing accounts. Gym memberships. Are you using your gym membership regularly? If not, explore cheaper alternatives or home workouts. Software subscriptions. Review your software subscriptions and see if you can downgrade or cancel any that you're not fully utilizing. 2. Eating out. Meal prep. Cooking at home can be significantly cheaper than eating out. Meal prep can save time and money. Limit coffee shops. Opt for brewing coffee at home to save on daily expenses. Mindful eating. Be aware of portion sizes and avoid impulse purchases at restaurants. 3. Transportation. Public transportation. Consider using public transportation or carpooling to reduce fuel costs. Walk or bike. For short distances, walking or biking can save money and improve your health. Vehicle maintenance. Regular maintenance can prevent costly repairs in the long run. Shopping habits play a crucial role in managing your finances. First, avoid impulse purchases by only buying items you truly need. It's a good idea to create a shopping list before you go to the store. This can help you stay focused and avoid unnecessary spending. Also, consider secondhand shopping. Thrift stores and consignment shops offer affordable clothing and household items. And don't forget about DIY projects. Learning to do simple repairs or upgrades yourself can save you a lot on professional services. When it comes to entertainment, there are plenty of ways to have fun without breaking the bank. Explore free or low-cost activities in your community, like parks, libraries, and museums. It's important to set a budget for entertainment and stick to it. Instead of buying books, movies, or games, think about borrowing them from libraries or renting them. This can save you quite a bit of money in the long run. Tracking your spending is essential for effective financial management. Consider using a budgeting app or spreadsheet to analyze your spending habits. This will help you visualize where your money is going and identify areas for improvement. By keeping a close eye on your expenditures, you can make more informed decisions about your finances. Remember, small changes can add up to big savings over time. By making conscious decisions about your spending, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals.